discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Mazda 2. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 50,000-kilometer mark. Mazda prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.